Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I'm going to be making a DIY vintage style with items that I purchased mostly from the Dollar Tree. So I went in my stash and grabbed a couple of items. The wood items I did get from the Dollar Tree, but the apple barrel paint I did purchase at Walmart. So I grabbed this beautiful fat quarter, and it is absolutely beautiful in that pink color and those big roses. So we are going to do something vintage style, as I said before. This is going to come out absolutely beautiful. I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music because we're starting out with painting the wood. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to say thank you for supporting my channels. Now these flower-shaped wood pieces are new to the Dollar Tree, at least where I am. So we're going to go ahead and paint 4 of these. Still trying to think what I'm going to do, but I'm just going to go with the flow. Now here I decided to use this piece of material and go ahead and trace it out so that we can line the inside of the tray with this fabric. Okay, so we're going to be decoupaging that material. So we're going to do a layer of Mod Podge on the bottom. We're going to lay the fabric, and then we're going to place some Mod Podge over the fabric and let all of that dry. Now I decided to try this Tech Bond or use the Tech Bond to go ahead and make feet out of those flower wood pieces, which I think is going to look adorable with this vintage tray. So here is where I decided to go ahead and use some of the gold paint that I had. And because it was a space between the fabric and the edge of the inside of the tray, I'm going to go ahead and line that with the gold paint along with the top edging. I may put something else in here, not sure, but let's see how this goes. So I had some bling chain over in my stash, which is from BB Crafts, guys. And I decided to go ahead and use the liquid cement that Dollar Tree is carrying to go ahead and glue that bling chain down on the long parts of the tray. All right, so we know we have to leave this sit to dry, especially that glue, that permanent glue. So I'm going to leave this aside until it's fully dry and then we'll be back. So now here I decided, as you can see, I just went ahead and painted the inside of the tray in the gold instead of just doing that little bit of the edging. Now I grabbed 4 pearls and I decided to put that on all the 4 corners of the tray. Okay guys, I am done. Let's head on over to the reveal. Grabbed my beautiful butterfly, placed a rose inside the tray. Didn't this come out absolutely beautiful and so vintage style? I love it. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.